internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Kawaii Box unboxing video for you, and it is March's box, which makes sense. Oh, okay, Magical Dreamland. I thought it was gonna be like Sakura theme. I feel like most people are going with the Sakura theme, but maybe not for Kawaii Box, so just want to keep it different. Alright, so I feel like I've got my box the wrong way around, but that's cool so long as you guys can see everything. Wow. There is a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so these look like bracelets. Yeah, they're bracelets, right? You wouldn't put them in your hair. Bracelets, that's right. I think this must have come out of some plastic. I don't know, I get the... Yeah, I think it was supposed to be in here, potentially. And they must have all fallen out. No idea. But yep, you've got these pastel bracelets. And have I seen this before? I feel like this might have come like a... Oh no, probably not. It looks really different. Really, really different to... There was one that was really similar to this, and it's basically a wand. You can pull this out, which enables the battery, and it like lights up, something like that. Let's do that. Yeah. This is... reminds me of like Sailor Moon 1. We've got an adorable little plushie. I love the plushies. They are so cute. And then this one. Is this like a mirror? I don't know if it's a mirror. Like when I look at it, it looks like a badge, but I think it's supposed to be like a pocket mirror. So you've got this cute little hamsters in front and then mirror in the back. Yeah. And then we have more like Magical Girl. I know this is a series. I think it's a series. It's just probably not one I've seen before. So I'm thinking this is like candy. This looks like jelly candy. And then this is a notebook. A really cute notebook. And then we have... Oh, okay. I do like this one. Even though I'm not like the biggest fan of multi-pens in one because I feel like they're very big. But I don't know. They still draw me in. I'll test this out, but this is a Sumikko Gurashi pen. And then the last one is a bunch of 3D stickers. I had one very similar from Kawaii Box probably a year ago, and I had collected like a bunch of them and stuck them all over a present that I gave my friend's... I think she was turning 4, and she's like ultra girly, and honestly all this stuff she's gonna love, and I'm probably gonna give most of this to her because this is just way too young for me. And my own niece, who you guys know I like love to give her so much stuff, she's going through a different phase now where she's like doesn't want to be girly anymore. She's like tomboy to the extreme. So she just, I don't know, she completely shifted, though she's really into Pokemon still. So yeah, now I have to move on to like my friends' kids. But yeah, so that is everything in the Kawaii Box. Probably my least favorite box so far. But you guys know I've been contemplating whether I'm going to continue the subscription or not. I think I have till June or July or something like that. And then, I don't know, I think I might not renew it if I keep getting boxes like this. Because for me, it's really not worthwhile. But it's hard because I have a lot of people who love seeing the unboxings. And so I like don't want to deprive them of the content they want to see. I'll make a call on it later. Anyways, so this is the pen that I wanted to try, and let's try. Yeah, it's definitely ballpoint, and you need to, okay, you need to go over it. The ink's not flowing. Yeah. That's kind of disappointing. I was really looking forward to having a nice pen, but I feel like it doesn't, oh, not all the colors are bad, but it's definitely not the easiest to write with. I think because it is so thick. It's a fun pen though, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a fun pen. This is supposed to be blue. It's really dark blue even though the blue here is light. Like I was expecting something similar to the colors you see here. So I'm gonna guess that the green is a dark green. So I'm just gonna scribble now because it's actually kind of hard to write. The color skips a little bit, and then red. Okay, I don't mean to be a Debbie Downer. Like, I feel really bad to be critical of stuff because I do get comments where people are like, oh, if you don't like it, just don't feature it. But I don't know. I just don't really like this pen. So I'm just going to put it out there. This was a bit disappointing to me. So yeah, this box in general was a bit disappointing to me, unfortunately. But maybe it's just not my taste. And yeah, maybe you guys would like it instead. So let me know what you guys think. I'd love to hear your opinion. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.